Hi, it's Scott from Toxic Pipes. We're here today doing our Indian Outlaw slip-on series pipes. We are going to do a little video demonstration for you. Our friend Mark is here with a 17 Chieftain, and this is a 16 Chieftain Dark Horse. Mark's bike has the baffles in it, and this one does not, so we want you to be able to hear that difference as well. The baffles are removable, and sometimes people like to take them in or out depending on what their riding situation might be. We have a lot of different options for these pipes. They come in chrome or black. You can get them with a slash cut, an undercut, or a straight cut, or you can do this type, and this is the version that has the tip options available. The tip options are a 1/4 inch wall aluminum tip, and you can get them in this matching chrome or in the powder coated versions, and we also have the same slash, undercut, and straight, along with this scorcher tip. The scorcher tips are cut out on the ends and then contrast cut, and they come in gloss black or flat black or chrome. Now I'm going to go ahead and have Mark start this one. Again, this bike has the baffles in it, and we'll just listen to it for a little bit. Inch 4 glass back baffle, a little bit different than anybody else's, and that's why we're getting that real deep tone out of it. Again, this one has no baffles now, so just for comparison's sake, we'll show you what that one sounds like. These are just slip-ons. The stock head pipes are still on here. The cats are in both bikes. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and run it down the road, and we can listen to that. The pipes are all 550 starting at, and the tip option pipes are a little bit more because the tips are sold separate. Go ahead, Mark. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll do this one, same thing. That's our Indian Outlaw slip-on series, available on our website, toxicpipes.com. We sell them on eBay and Amazon if you're fans of those instead. Any questions? The email is real simple, sales@toxicpipes.com, and our phone number is 715-432-4300. Thanks for watching.